Chikota State anyị. Onye nzukọ nke kampụ anyị. Ọchịagha ogige. Ndị NYSC na ndị isi anyị niile. Na ndị otu m, ndị top members. Daalụnụ!
We are here to showcase a special Igbo culture in the Imoran community, Ifejiloku, a time for the preparation of the cultivation of yam, which we all know is the king of all crops. Nobody is permitted to steal from their neighbor's farm, as calamity will befall the land. The masquerade is coming out. Let every man begin to clear his farmland and cultivate his yams, as stealing is a taboo. The villagers are preparing their farmland to cultivate their yams.
Hello, hey.
Okoko has just committed an abomination. He has stolen from another man's farm. Calamity will befall the land because of the inaction of one man.
Yeah, the people of Farmland. Yeah, the message from the king.
Here is the town crier to announce this is a meeting, an honest meeting of the land. To destroy the death and sicknesses. The villagers are wondering the cause of every calamity that is befalling the land. The land is in disarray. This is confusion. The villagers have come to meet their king. To escape the calamities that have come upon them.
Hey, hello.
Here is the chief priest. A consultant of the oracle. And is here to find out the root cause of the problem. The evildoer has been fished down.
I got money from our kingdom. Dad, take this man away from this place.
Now the king is giving the judgment that Okoko be banished from the land. This is a lesson to everyone that stealing is a serious offense. And for every bad decision we make, we just don't affect ourselves. Everyone around us.
Remaining 1 minute.